guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a wood finish to make sure that these aren't going to rot in any way, even though they're kind of already or water resistant rather. But I don't really care for this lighter wood, so I'm going to try this new thing and see what happens. Because I really kind of want to preserve this as much as possible. Now, as far as the gray area, I'm going to leave it and then maybe paint it the same color as the garage. So what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using a sherry wood finish. It's as close as that I could get to the finish on all of our pergolas, which is just basically cedar wood. And so I'm going to see how well this will work. The gray area over here, I'm just going to leave it as is for now and maybe paint it down the road the same color. It's kind of like a tannish color that our garage is. And that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to pour it in here and use a brush, but I'm also going to use cloth and see how that works. And hopefully I don't get the stain all over. If I do, then I'm just gonna do the whole door the same color and see how that works out. But you know what? Just gotta get up, get out, and get active, you guys. So this is one way that I'm gonna do it. Yeah, that's gonna darken it up, I think, enough. next one.